Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make quesadillas de masa. First, let's prepare our masa dough. You'll need 2 cups of masa harina, 1 1/2 cups of warm water, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix these ingredients thoroughly, then knead the dough for about 5 minutes until it feels smooth and soft. This step is crucial for good texture. After kneading, cover the dough and let it rest for 15 minutes. This resting period allows the masa to fully hydrate, making it easier to work with and ensuring a perfect quesadilla. Now that our masa is ready, let's form the quesadillas. Divide the dough into 8 equal portions, each weighing approximately 2 ounces. Using a tortilla press, flatten each portion into a round, 4-inch diameter tortilla. Next, it's time for the filling. Place about 2 tablespoons of your favorite cheese, cooked meat, or vegetables onto 1/2 of the tortilla. Carefully fold the other half of the tortilla over the filling, pressing the edges gently to seal it. This creates that classic crescent shape. With our quesadillas formed, it's time to cook them to golden perfection. Heat a comal or a heavy cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, carefully place the quesadillas onto the cooking surface. Cook each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and the masa is cooked through. It's important that the filling is heated thoroughly and any cheese inside is wonderfully melted. Cook them in batches to avoid overcrowding the pan, ensuring even cooking. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your delicious homemade quesadillas de masa. These are best enjoyed immediately while they are still warm and the filling is gooey. For an extra touch, garnish them with some fresh cilantro, a sprinkle of crumbled cottage cheese, or a dollop of Mexican crema. Don't forget to offer a side of your favorite salsa, perhaps a vibrant salsa verde or a smoky red salsa, for dipping. Enjoy the rich flavors and satisfying texture of your authentic creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.